Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about electric starter from Sherco 250 and 300 two-stroke. It's the same starter from 2014 till 2021. The problem is the starter won't spin, so I assemble it and look what I found. The brushes is already gone. What you need to do is to buy KTM OEM part brush kit, because Sherco don't sell brush kit. They sell only a full starter, and it's very expensive. So you need to take dimension from the brush on the original Sherco starter and file the brush from the OEM KTM kit. Okay, so what we need to do is to take dimensions. This is the worn out brush. As you can see, it's like 5.20, and the KTM one is a 6mm. So we need to take out 0.8 millimeter. We need to file it and then to replace it. Okay, so after the starter rebuild, another thing I didn't mention is to drill the new hole from the KTM brush. It's not the same size as the original Sherco. So you need to take a driller and make it a little bit bigger.